back to Dane's Basement Food Review. Now today I am going to be joined only by my colleague Nick here. Unfortunately, Andrew is in another state right now, so it's going to be kind of difficult to get him to be in the basement. But hey, that's how it goes sometimes. I'm looking for other people to also do some collaborations with other than just Andrew, which one of them is staring at me from behind the camera right now, judgmentally. But hey, whatever. Andrew will be back in another video. Maybe it's 2-3 weeks from now. That's the plan. But today we have one of Dairy Queen's new blizzards. It is the Sea Salt Toffee Fudge Blizzard. And I mean, it looks like a blizzard, so that's something that can be said about it. But on this channel, we have 4 different categories that we judge everything by. If you are new, you would not know this. That is feel, smell, taste, and texture. Now, some people have asked me in the past, yo Dane, what is the difference between taste and texture? Or feel and texture? Well, feel is with your hands. How does it feel in the hand? Texture is how it feels like whenever you're eating it. And of course, taste is what it tastes like compared to how it feels. But, as I just said, the first on our list is feel. So, we're gonna feel this blizzard. Okay. It's very, very loose consistency, very liquidy, very cold. Of course, this is a frozen treat, so I was assuming it would be cold. I was actually thinking it would be a little bit more fit to form, though, gotta be honest. The fact that it's very liquidy is kind of concerning, but hey, it's whatever. Now, how does this bad boy smell? Doesn't really have much of a smell, I gotta be honest with you here. The only thing I'm catching is like a little bit of salt. Yum. Now, what's the texture like on this? That's what I'm focusing on here first with this first bite. I'm gonna go in for a second bite, just focusing on texture. I gotcha. Alright. So when it comes to the texture of this, the ice cream really just melts away in your mouth. And you're left with the toffee and the fudge part of it. The fudge is softer, but not as soft as the ice cream is. And the toffee is pretty crunchy, which is cool. I like. Now, focusing on the taste. Now this definitely does have a taste on it is definitely very toffee forward. Now that's the first thing that hits you. But that's because the ice cream is the toffee. Then there's like the sea salt and the fudge added in. Whereas like those are little condensed parts mixed into the ice cream. So overall it tastes pretty good. I like it. That's like little bits of the salty toffee like parts in there, which is pretty cool. Wow, I can't speak tonight. I apologize. Pretty cool. And I told you guys that I was not going to be recording another video on August 29th in the last video. This is not August 29th. I'll tell you that for sure. We got a new light even. Like, we got a new light, we got a flag. No step on snack. Stuff's going crazy around here, bro. But back to the blizzard. I'm pretty happy with this. The only thing I could say that's like just is the consistency of it. Like, it could be a little bit less like soupy. It just feels kind of soupy for a blizzard, because this is supposed to be like ice cream. Like, okay, well that was the worst example ever. Like, it feels soupy. Like, there's a lot of, yeah, there we go. It's just a lot. So if it wasn't for consistency, I would give this a 5 out of 5. But because it don't got the consistency down, this is getting a 4 out of 5 Peters on our food rating scale. And I know I've done a few videos without Andrew in the past, and it seems like a lot of people don't like them as much, but I promised more content, and of course Andrew is not always available, so this is what the video is for today. My apologies if you don't like these videos with just me in them, but we gotta do what we gotta do for the channel. And I prefer doing videos as much as possible, because I enjoy doing this. But hey, enough rambling. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please do consider giving it a like and subscribing. And if you are new, then please hit the bell so you are notified every time that we subscribe. Yeah, every time that we. I can't talk tonight. I can't talk tonight. I don't know what it is. Hit the little bell so you can be notified of every time that we upload in the future. God, I hate myself. But yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video.